The HUANUO Triple Monitor Mount is exactly what I needed to take my home office setup from mediocre to magnificent. Are you tired of feeling cramped and cluttered at your desk? Do you struggle to find a comfortable viewing angle for multiple monitors? Well, I've got the solution right here. This incredible monitor mount not only frees up valuable workspace but also elevates 3 monitors off your desk, creating a spacious and organized workstation that's perfect for productivity. With the HUANUO Triple Monitor Mount, you can easily customize the position of each monitor to suit your preferences. Want to swivel one monitor into place? No problem. Need to tilt another for better viewing? Easy peasy. And if you're working on a document or spreadsheet that's best viewed in landscape mode, this mount lets you switch with the touch of a button. But what really sets this product apart is its attention to detail. The HUANUO Triple Monitor Mount comes with 2 installation options: C-clamp and grommet mount. That means you can choose the one that best fits your desk thickness, whether it's a narrow surface or a thicker, more substantial frame. Both options are secure and durable, so you can trust that your monitors will stay put all day long. One of the things I love most about this monitor mount is its weight capacity. With a maximum limit of 17.6 pounds per screen, you know that it's built to handle even the heaviest of laptops or desktops. And with Vesa mounting holes available in both 75 by 75 millimeters and 100 by 100 millimeter sizes, you can easily attach your monitors using your existing hardware. But don't just take my word for it. This monitor mount is designed to help you work more comfortably and efficiently. By allowing you to position multiple monitors at the perfect angle, you'll be able to focus on your work without distractions or eye strain. And with its sleek, compact design, you can keep your workspace organized and clutter-free. So what are you waiting for? If you're tired of feeling stuck in a cramped, disorganized workspace, it's time to upgrade to the HUANUO Triple Monitor Mount. Trust me, your productivity and your sanity will thank you. Get ready to take your home office game to the next level with the HUANUO Triple Monitor Mount. Click the link below to check out the best price today.